Hello everyone in Cyber World. Welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY.
Last week we started our bathroom renovation and we showed you the demolition. This week we came a little bit further along. We wanted to be further than we are, but we ran into a little snag. So let's show you what happened. Okay, we kind of have to interrupt our progress on here for an unexpected reason. We finished putting up the cement board and we used thin mortar to seal up things where we needed the thin mortar to, the thin set to dry before we put on the membrane on top of this for waterproofing. We waited 24 hours for it to dry, and I noticed that on the bottom here it was still moist. Couldn't figure out why it was moist. Put my fingers down here and there was a considerable amount of water. So we were concerned that somehow or another we have a leak. Haven't been able to feel anything coming down from these pipes whatsoever. We let it dry for another day and things look really well. We were going to give it a try today and start finishing this up so that we can start putting on the Red Guard protective shield on this. But we wanted to test one more time, so we ran the shower in the other room, which is just on the other side of this wall. The valves are pretty much side to side, and so we ran the shower over there and noticed that the bottom got wet again. So we have a leak issue, and I don't know if it's somehow related to the other bathroom valve somehow, or if this one here somehow sprung a leak. But we had the plumber install the valve, and when they tested it, everything appeared really good. All we've done is put the cement board on top of it, so there was no contact with any of the pipes. So I'm not sure what happened here, but we're gonna have to figure it out, and the only way to do that is open this back up, unfortunately. So I can see though that we identified where the studs are on here. So I'm going to see if I can cut just between the studs, open it up so we have access to it if it's something the plumber needs to be fix or figure out what it is, and we'll go from there. Then we'll have to get more cement board, patch that up and continue. So for now, we're going to have to go backwards on this and cut open this one more time and see what we can find. After opening our newly installed wall, we tested the adjacent shower, and sure enough, we found a pinhole stream of water that was spraying on the back of our newly installed cement board.
Oh yeah, okay.
We decided to be safe and contact a plumber to have them repair the leak before we proceed with the project.
That's all we have for today.
Hopefully next week we'll have even more progress to show you. So until then, bye-bye.